I have another video for you to watch. Okay, as you can see in the background, it's all green. It's located on the countryside of Iloilo. So I miss so much going back to the Philippines. How about you? You miss it too, I am sure. After working for a long time outside the country, it's really good to have a vacation going back to the Philippines where I was born. I miss the green part or on the countryside of the Philippines. As you can see, there's a lot of big trees, bamboos, coconuts, all you can see. It is very mild on your vision. I wish this pandemic will subside soon and we can relax. So, the same with you guys. It's good to be back where you were born. You can blend in with your family, share some stories, and enjoy life. So my friends, it's really tough to work outside of the country, and if you don't know how to handle it, you have a problem emotionally and physically. So you need to deal with it. Again, my friends, this is all what I got. And simple thing I can say, I miss you, Philippines. I wish I'll be there maybe next year. I am hoping. Okay? Have a good one, everyone, and wishing you the best. Alright, that's all. Have a wonderful day to all of you.